All the people involved in our high school football games so far this season have really endured a lot from the weather.
They have, I mean, first of all, our 13 on your sidelines team, but also the fans and players out there.
Absolutely.
It has not been the nicest season weather-wise so far, George.
Yeah, and some of these games have been taking place over 2 days.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Friday night, Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon.
Right.
Yeah, not happening this week,
Yes.
but it is definitely chilly out here on the weather deck tonight, but at least it's dry. What's ahead for your weekend? Well, the 13 weather ball is red, and that means a warmer, more seasonable weather ahead. And this view brought to you by the great folks at your West Michigan Ace hardware stores. We forecast 56 today. It made 56. That is a bullseye on your Friday. I like that, how we end the week with that. 5 days in a row within 3 degrees in your 3-degree guarantee. Tonight, we got some patchy frost up north, and then mostly cloudy skies on Saturday. A lot of high clouds around throughout the day, but we'll manage to climb into the low 60s. There'll be some light rain showers very late afternoon along the northwest counties. Just about everyone will see some light rain showers Saturday night, but by the time the sun comes up on Sunday, it'll become mostly sunny. We'll be in the mid-60s. And then seasonable weather next week, but it does look like next Friday we've got rain likely. Tomorrow, though, mostly cloudy in the morning, mostly cloudy throughout the day. A lot of high clouds, as I mentioned. We'll hit low 60s here in Grand Rapids. I think we'll stay dry up until right around sunset or so. But tonight, as skies clear up north, there is a frost advisory that goes into effect at 10 o'clock. That's for Oceana, Newaygo, and Mecosta counties until 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock in the morning. You want to protect those plants. Might want to cover them up. Frost advisory means that temperatures are expected to reach about 33 to 36. And as far as what you can do, that is bring those shelter those potted plants or bring them inside, cover the outdoor plants that you can't bring inside with a sheet or a blanket. The water does transfer the leaves of the outdoor plants. If you do water them, it transfers them to the leaves themselves and prevents them from freezing. And here's how cold it could get here tonight. It's cold as 37 up in Big Rapids. I think it's going to get colder than that. These are our model indications of how cool it could get, including 40 here in Grand Rapids. The clouds have been very persistent throughout the day today. A peak at the sunshine, but once the sun goes down, I think we're going to get a little bit of clearing, like what's happening up and through here. Highest threat for any frost will be up north. High pressure has built on in. We've got that northeast wind. As that moves to the east tomorrow, the winds will turn around to the south. That is going to bring up some moisture. During the day tomorrow, or during the night tonight, we have mostly clear to partly cloudy skies up until about daybreak, and then it'll become overcast. By late afternoon, notice some light rain showers starting to come on in. This is evening. Could be wet for that Grand Valley game to start, but on and off showers throughout most of the night. They're all going to be very light, not very persistent. And by Sunday, the skies are going to be clearing. Going to be a little bit of breezy west wind, gusting to about 20-25 at the lake shore. As I mentioned, not much rain here over the weekend, and of course, not much here during the night tonight or during the day tomorrow. Here's by 7 o'clock in the evening. Just enough to wet the ground, and on Saturday night, Sunday morning, this will all be done by the time you wake up. As far as the long-range outlook is concerned, October 19th through November 1, this only comes out on Fridays. High probability of warm temperatures all around, with the exception of the upper Midwest, and that includes West Michigan. Average highs during that 2-week period is right around 55 to 59 degrees. In terms of precipitation, we're right on the edge of seeing lower amounts of rainfall. That would be most welcome for the second half of the month of November. Tomorrow, though, mostly cloudy skies, some light rain, as you saw there from maybe Hart, Ludington, maybe Muskegon by the end of the day. You're around 60 there. Further south, mid-60s, Holland and South Haven. Up north, upper 50s along US 10, low 60s from Fremont and Greenville, and mostly cloudy here in the greater Grand Rapids zone. Overnight, our highs tomorrow up into the low 60s. 13 on your side forecast. A little more seasonable weather by Sunday, just a tad bit cooler on Monday, maybe some more frost Tuesday morning. Mid-60s to near 70 next week until Friday when the rain is likely, and then next weekend cooling off into the 50s, perhaps frost both next Saturday and on Sunday. October is definitely here.